In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Android phone into a wireless mouse and keyboard for your PC. First, you will need to download the remote mouse server for your computer on remotemouse.net. If you have a Windows machine, select Windows and download the server application on your computer. Install the software on your computer. The next step for you would be to install the Remote Mouse app, and you can get it on the Play Store. Make sure that your computer and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you had successfully installed Remote Mouse Server on your computer, you will be able to see your computer name within the app as well. And it'll list any other computers that have the software installed as well. So make sure you're connecting to the right one. If you have multiple devices on which you have installed the server, then all I have to do is just select the server to connect to, and I'm good to go. And here's a demonstration of me using my phone as a mouse for my computer. If I want to, let's say open a new tab, I can do that. If I want to close the tab, I can do that as well. Now my mouse is a little bit sensitive, so I need to adjust the sensitivity and get used to it a bit as well. If I want to scroll, I can do that as well. And if I want to type in text, I can do that as well. I hope you found this video very useful. If you have any comments to add, please let me know. Thank you for watching.